Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marte, I come from Norway and I love makeup. And today I'm back on YouTube. I've been gone for a while and I think I might talk about it a bit at a later time, but not right now. But anyway, I just got my order from Black Friday from Dandelions Cosmetics because I love their mattes. I do have these 11 on the, like you can't see all of them, but the 11 ones from here and down. So I just purchased 40 more shadows from them during Black Friday, and I figured I would just sort them into my Oasis Makeup Empty Magnetic palette. So I have this big one, it's called the Shadow Keeper, and you can even fit a whole new tray in here, and I do also have that. So I figured I want my Dandelions matte shadows here, and then I will probably have a little bit extra space, maybe like 10 to 20 shadows more, which I can add some of my favorite ones from Glam Shop maybe. And then I will have the other tray also with Glam Shop. So I will have some of my favorite shadows in this whole palette. And if you're interested in this palette, I do actually have a code, which is Marta's Makeup. And right now, until I think it is the end of December, I will leave the details down below in my description box. But you will get 15% on anything on their website, and they do also have gorgeous eyeshadows, so just leaving that there. But yeah, I'm going to be using this big palette right now, so it's gonna fit with the insert. It's going to fit like 170, I think. So yeah, I'm just going to unpack this whole package. I'm really curious because I've never gotten my single shadows packaged like this. It's always in a box, so we'll see if all of them made it. And I will just put on some music while I unpack it, and then I will just start organizing them. So just before I start unpacking, I did see that they were doing a Black Friday offer for the first, I don't remember how many orders, but apparently I was quick enough to order, and I got this free makeup bag and a brush, and I think this is like the brush cleaner and a sponge that is shaped like a Christmas tree, which is so cute. Okay, so here we have all of the single shadows. So I will probably just unpack all of this off of camera because I don't think that's anything that's interesting to look at. And I'll just place them down. You know what? I think I'll just place them on the side, and then I will put them in the palette when you can see, and yeah, I will just organize them by color. Okay, so I just put all of the shadows here. I also included the ones that I already had from before. I did just have to swatch these because I do have Dijon, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but the mustard shade from before, and then I ordered, okay, I also don't know how to pronounce that, but Zesty, and they're almost identical. I feel like maybe Zesty is a little bit deeper, but I'm not sure how this is going to look different on the eye. But I mean, I love those kinds of shades, so I don't really mind, but there could have been a little bit more different, I guess. Anyway, I do have all of the Dandelions Cosmetics mattes here, so I usually just start with the lightest shade in the upper left corner. So for me that would be here, and I tend to go like deeper, but also I build around this, so I kind of go a little bit diagonal just to, I don't know, get to the deepest, but also keep in the color story, or in the same realm of the colors that I'm putting down. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I also don't think I'm going to get an even amount of shadows. It's probably going to be one or two that are a little bit, like, it's not going to be even rose. I literally cannot talk today. Yeah. So I'm just going to be placing these around, so I guess I can just turn on a little bit of music again. I will say that they were all really neatly packed, no breakage at all, which was a nice surprise. Yeah, and it took a minute to pack out, but it's worth it if they're safe during transit, I guess. And what I do love about the Dandelions Cosmetics shadows is that they just have a lot of different undertones. As you can see, I have a lot of shades here that look very similar, but like they do have different undertones. Some are more neutral, some are more colorful, warm, cold, that kind of stuff. But now I'm just gonna stop chatting and just place down all of the shadows. So I think I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. I'm not sure, like I didn't count them, but I guess if I had 40, or I ordered 40 and I have 11, then I should have 51, which seems to be correct. So 51 is probably not going to be even anyway, because maths, but I'll just leave it like this, I guess. I could also put these just to the side here, for example, and then I can just build up and fill it up with my Glam Shop singles as well. I just went and got the insert that I have, and I would love to have all the special shades that I have from Glam Shop right here, like the crystals, the multichromes, the holos. I would love to have them in this shadow keeper, but I think I'd change out at least the warmer tones right here, because I don't really reach for them that much. And maybe I will just take some of my favorite colorful ones. But should I do that now? I mean, I guess I could. Okay, so saying that I was going to put some of my favorite Glam Shop shadows in here, I literally cannot choose, so I think I'll just have to end it right here, because I mean, it's a big undertaking if I'm really going to, like, I have no idea how I would do that. But anyway, I'm going to take a picture of these and I will label it and put it on the screen, so that although I'm not doing swatches in this video, at least you can still see the names of the different ones, because a lot of them do look quite similar but with different undertones, which I should definitely do a swatching video on these, but not in this one. So just comment down below if you do want a swatching video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if I'm not posting anything else before Christmas and New Year's, I hope that you all have an amazing holiday, and I hope that I will see you soon. Bye!